I'm wedding and portrait photographer Vanessa Joy here for Adorama TV, where you can find tons of information about photo and video and get the scoop on brand new products, which is what I'm talking to you about today, V-Flat World's duo boards. I have had the chance to use these duo boards on repeat. I've used them for food photography, I've used them in the studio, in my kitchen, and have even put some wedding details on top of them. You can see a lot of the images throughout this video, but I want to give you the personal experience. Here's what I like about these duo boards. Now, if you're not familiar with them yet and haven't seen all the sneak peeks we've been letting out of them here, here's what they are. They are double-sided flat boards that also come with attachments to be able to make an L-shape lay flat scene, if you will. There are a ton of different options to choose from, not just in having the design, whether wood or marble, subway tile, lots of different colors, but they are double-sided, so you've got a front and a back to them, and on top of it you get to choose between different sizes, either a square aspect ratio or 16:9, or maybe it's 4:6, which is really a 2:3. It's one of them. Anyway, you're able to have either that square or horizontal layout. I personally prefer the horizontal because it lets me get better shots for things like video where I do have a longer aspect ratio. Now, my experience with them has been phenomenal. I've worked with lay flats in the past, and here are some of the things that I found different about these. Number one, you're not folding these up. These definitely are not portable, which does make them ideal for studio use. But don't worry, they aren't heavy. You can easily throw them into one of the V-Flat World bags, maybe when you're transporting your V-Flats too, and you can take them along with you pretty much anywhere. They're a no-brainer for the studio. They're easily tucked away in a corner and you can grab them when you need. The nice thing about them not folding up or rolling up is you never have to deal with creasing or curling up edges. They are perfectly flat, as flat lays should be. Now, you don't always have to shoot a flat lay. You, of course, can add the attachments on the side to make a background and create an entire scene for whatever it is that you're photographing. You'll likely photograph things like food photography, still life, but you can definitely throw some shoes and wedding veils and details like that. I was thoroughly impressed with the way these show up on camera. The color is remarkable. It looks textured and it's not shiny. It actually has this fine balance between a little bit shiny, just enough so that if you do spill something on it, which I certainly did many times, you can easily wipe it off and it's easy to clean, but it's not super shiny that you're fighting with reflections. Some of my favorites are definitely the wood patterns. I feel like it has a rustic quality to them, and I really enjoy the one with the white wood on one side, and it's not a brown wood, it's almost like a brown gray type wood on the other. It just came out so rich on camera, especially when I was hard lighting it in this cheese board shot. Nowadays, with Instagram and social media, I feel like I see flat lays everywhere. I know I've seen very similar flat lays that create a beautiful consistency through food bloggers and product photographers, or just Instagrammers that get sent products and they have to show them off. There's really not much to talk about in how to use these. You can do whatever you'd like with them, but it does come with a nice microfiber type soft cloth so that when you are laying the lay flat duo board down on a surface, you're not gonna scratch the bottom of it. Fits perfectly, keeps everything safe. I had a great time using these duo boards. In fact, I've already got some in my studio downstairs and can't wait to use them. I'm wedding and portrait photographer Vanessa Joy here again for Adorama TV. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss new announcements just like this one. And I will see you next time. Bye.